Young coming union.
Vida.
Hurt them. The temperature. Hurt them. Hurt them.
Union. Don't choke.
And I'm going up tonight. Because the man them come 3 bucks load of them. So any boy blow tonight. Bro. No blowing along. Who they are coming every week? Some neutral tonight. Yo, gonna talk on a move. What are they from right here? I ask them before. What them before? They're all 100 what?
See the ones, they have a blowing.
Anyone blow the your thing, just tell me that. Yo, this is a ton of money, you know.
You don't know it's all about your will and your life. We do this because we love this, not because we like this. So we ask you for your guidance, your protection, and the winnings. In John name. Amen. Amen.
Well, Emmanuel, I.
Yo. Please protect Jamaica and the rest of the world. Jah upon your telephone, tell him what you need, tell him what you need, tell him what you need.
Some of them earlier, them in back hang over them slippers like steel poncho.
You done Roman, you want to kill baby. I want to, you sit there and grow, I can't fly. You sit there and grow, okay, you want to kill Roman, you come. I can't call baby. I say we kill you already now. So you see, hey, you see me, me a bad baby. Hey, me a baby boss, here I know.
Port Atlanta, they don't know Thunder Big up themselves in a real life, but them feel like DJ Flex, see the fire burning.
Sound this, and then full of fear, better run down it. First to it, hear me now, these are our judges. This is what I this song, my friend. I can't say it, I can't see some altar. Get up a song, and no fears. DJ plays. Roy, Taranta, Manchester, I'm a king boy for free. But you don't play for everybody. You play for everybody. Every youngster in here. The more they want to say, the same one in a selector. The people them say, rape you. Somebody I want to feel that do like something to the more. I touch the big thing and just like the big
That is why I'm here. We the kings of Canada. A song of thunder and thunder. Back to the stunting. Oh, we get so hot, pussy, you be stop sucking. Oh, you go be singing when I be on my body. Come back up, come in, so I'm young money, no kick out. You punish, still coming, judges. Judges, not punish. You're English. We're coming on showing you glory on it. We get one up a big name on there. We're starting up on the thing here. But we're going to put on it tonight. I want them to keep put up yourself. Big up Doyle. Big up Rock from the King Black Sport. And we're going to do the top one and put you up. Rock this one here. Working on. I respect them. But you miss a time. We come with the time. And in real life, this is Stone Clash, not Joe Clash.
Yeah, Stone Clash. Before I start tonight, I know so the time don't start till the first song press. I come here 3 years about a clasher. And them say trooper from you come here, you wear blue, you wear red. See? You show out tonight. Yeah, fellow blacks, big up yourself. Well, the show people them there. Don't be that on you. And PMP people there, I'm not young, listen. All the PMP them through. So we know they're right through the show. I mean, we know. Yeah, man. Royalty. 3 months of the people can't kill me. Arms can't kill me. On the boss named Thundercat. Thundercat. Captain, I'm licking something, you know. Any man blow number 1, he's an international bowcat. All the man that blows the rest of the blow numbers of pop. Yeah, man. Come start it, damn.
Thundercat alert! Thundercat alert! I want to report to the Thundercat corner. The book of your bow corner. Clearly, money pull up. Thundercat. Thundercat. Rest in peace. Book clash. Trooper. Kill that enough. Clearly. Thundercats are on the move. Thundercats are loose. You can't see how much you can make them so. Thundercat is loose. More you get it.
Stop! That's why I feel so level!
Where's some more? I want.
Stop it up there! Right!
Long talking good for nothing. Step on them. Then you can Sparky aka Rugged. And we say straight. Kill him. Sound like a dead of boom clash. Tonight. Listen. Sunroof make a do PE in a boom clash. Silver update, silver pigeon then flap. Sunroof make a do PE in a boom clash. King of these love track, black blunt top dead stack. Ricky Trooper and the box, they walk on the rock. Royalty face judgment, all of the chat. Sunroof make a do PE in a boom clash. Sound dead. Listen, dead. Cash time, more time, some trooper started. Hence I am down at the market, fights them bullshit. Don't spice up, keep away from all the refix. Royalty, regular doublets, now go make this. 6 quick. Boom clash, this time ready.
Yo, everyone, make sure the kill sound. Let's say, squeeze.
Hey, I lose the wicked troop and come this over. Fuck it up. Shut them. Yo, that's how you kill some.
Boy, ain't it? Yeah. Real killer. Some super song you know me as a real killer. Ricky Trooper,
It's a show out. A show out. I'm about to kill them. Stand up. I'm the competition there. Don't think out of here. Only a big winner. Only a big winner. Hey.
always make the most sense. Good success to out and out them at their own chase. Some of them
Ready, we don't see how we smart. Everybody, when they don't even start. Look, no, I'm
Hey boy, you just take them out. One me come to kill and I kill me, turn it up. Yo, the DJ, we see your DJ there. We see your DJ there. Hey,
what that sound to come in this place?
the particular light of there. What is particular light of there? What is particular light of there? Yo, kill and tell all that to tell them.
Sound boy, make me tell you this straight sound so how we kill you. One go cold, gunshot big one you. Sound boy, wicked. Sound and abuse you. Yes, you fool. Sound boy, make me tell you this straight sound so how we kill you.
Why I'm gonna kill him, Bunty? Why I'm gonna kill him? Why I'm gonna kill him? Why?
If you test sound super, use a haunted man. Ricky Super, he that's the reigning champion. If you run up in a mission, you will. From a sound boy, if it dead, Mr. Magic also dead. Sound so goddamn loud. Hop a shot in a me gun and ball cloud and clear. Books like Batman.
Yo, tonight a boom clash and get wicked like Jack around. Any boy back up in up in there. Yo,
that's so far.
how him killer.
All Batman, you all you starting them things.
Yo, stop. The place too dead. Run.
Hey yo, sound trooper. They should know they mess around these youth here. We some sharpshooter. Motherfucking niggas. Good shit make you dance. Walk barefoot like Muta. You look like some old shooter. Messing up your face like about Kuta. Run that pop. Hey yo, New York, what up? Kingston. Hey yo, London. Hey yo, Canada. Worldwide. Motherfucking niggas slide. What up, big gun mouth? Tell it you.
Yo, I can't pull up a badness in here. Let me pull up a badness in that clash now. Little badness. And pull up.
Now one of them sound there. Ricky Super boss it in a bum from whole earth. Now we pop it off. Hold down. And your family points. Can we take that mode? Then so true. How much am I?
What is that lighter? Check out the floor and bring the lighter. Yo,
We gone your dog. With the whole
kill him.
90s. Yo.
I don't want to kill him. Don't finger in my ear. My kill royalty.
Them send the trip to some toe park. They are taking for fun. All tackle now. I believe I don't get them. The mother, the father, this is what I said. Some two banners here now. And they found them.
Royalty people alone.
Income, sound trooper.
Ricky Chupa. You know, Solomon is tonight in a boom all-star. Sound boy dead. Royalty sound dead. Ricky Chupa murder. Ricky Chupa. Remember how we did party? I know we never find a mother be proud of. Yo! Tonight we see for me. I must be proud of cover. Ricky Chupa. We never forget the board out. The one bed with four of. Yo, Chupa. How them things that make me sing song. Hard life too cold, it too cold. Me tell you the pressures in life make me stronger. It make me grow in hunger. I love Ricky Chupa grow. I love Ricky Chupa grow. And Chupa will never forget my culture. Talk like dog. I love Ricky Chupa grow. I love Ricky Chupa grow. You want to hear me? From box up, come by me. Not no boy like me. Hey, tonight Chupa kill royalty sound. Now make sure it's a food bandit here.
Hey boy, some Chupa not try this. Let me tell you this. Who no can do that? Oh dear. If I walk in them for no some Chupa, a villa rifle pack full of shots on the top. Don't try violate Ricky Chupa. Let me tell you this. Hey, son boy, Chupa for million coffee for share. For you and your friend, them, your friend. Fat man will play music. Where your name again? You may attack. Fat man, yeah, you. Me see you stand up there on the pan. And the music make you shake your head at the song. Which one? Eh? Because someone don't like me, you know. Now if I want to select a boy come and visit me dead, you know. They don't like me. I want me to play good, you know, go some boom, you know. And say, I be a fool, listen to my play. I idiot that. But the pan don't find no heart, you know, like how the boy boom, boom, hey boy boom, boom. No, you said, I'm kicking their face on the sea. Yo, me win the round, I'm ready by the round done. You see that tune I'm going to play? I'm me right over that tune. Kill!
Son Chupa, you are a killing machine and a teamwork. Don't cross the line. You don't know if you can deal with me. The only Chupa will get the job done. Anywhere, anywhere. Dead. Chupa, don't stop. What I'm feeling. Kill sound feel like I saw I go get a rascal in you say Chupa and boobs we kill everybody. I saw I go the diff them step to it. I be a bad dog when I play fucker. Chupa, oh you kill so good. So you don't fuck the people that must say you're good. Chupa they killing don't want it. Chupa don't want it. I saw I take them a ball out. I regular select a ball out. Chupa sound of dogs we kill them pussy. Chupa, you are the real G. Chupa, I met them bad out. I regular select a bad out. Chupa, sound not the real clean machine. Yes, selector, you have to bad out. Chupa, give them the bounty killer. Being a man or even sizzler. Make sound with them bad from her hand. Selector, go suck your mother.
Yo! Hey, you tell them get the play for the clash of one. Eh? Some of them you tell them the music. Them select that sound man, what? And read this jacket boy and lock out some people, you know. Say, yo, I am a kill!
Yo, Chupa, I would have bummed back like sound about this song.
Boss a killer! Boss a danger around here. Kill!
Let's get Kevin and I feel the black. Get the machine, this is my sound Chupa and the machine gun blood class. Royalty of it, heading of the war tonight. The blood clot sound down good. How we fine tune thunder cat the Canada as a call. Them that cat suck a botherhood fi get rich. And him still poor, he's a real fish. Him fucking full of the poor. Listen me go. I sound super tired. He's found begging your
Who look me down with the run already? Who the boss are you? Spin killer. Spin.
Give them this one, that's not a one, that's not a cross, one, that's not a rock one. Come! Two papa fans, happy to the boy face, come. Come! The Bible, them the time we murder any man, two far jump can. Come! We a little boy, no, we a big man, we a kill souls, the NBA strong. Come! Stop it, come! Happy birth, stop it, come! So two for the big blood, now friend, we a turn out the gun, by any one of them. No give a fuck, yes, so man, come.
Now be one next to the one like this, man, we win around already. Now you tell your bigger boss, he come from Canada. Let go! You see me? The blueprint. Now you tell him. Bigger boss. Bigger boss.
These are the blueprint. Wicked us on over the honor. Blueprint. Super put it on when you want follow. Blueprint. From our return to make Maria. Blueprint. These are the blueprint. Hey, Trooper. This bigger than Justin Bieber. Doctor, please get in a fever. Trooper, you are the real white actor.
Jumper, let us say Metro Trooper, we say David Trooper, we say Ricky Trooper. How did they play? What do I say?
Where are you from? Where the real bad people in there?
Yeah, son Trooper.
That's it. Don't pass it. Pass it. Yeah.
Son Trooper. Give them a clip full. Out of them a tick. All the night of my phone. Make sure that chat is some sound white. Love the party, watch it, chat it. Like a people, drama mix. With a motor. Son Trooper, the original. No copy.
Let them believe you. What's prominent? What is your point of people? Don't be a dragon. You not done? You done? Well, no, if you're not done now, may I go moment you're done? It's over?
Thank you very much.
Praise the Lord, church.
That's true for international right there. That is the end of the first round. Remember, it's elimination night tonight, so and then go home, you understand? Big up to the people that are place tonight.
It's just a trooper take a risk and slow down the road and put a pass in the road, you know, but to give the extra.
Right, the sound. Clearly, they want the music. Yeah. Coming up, I was here on Holy Back Night. Holy Back Night. I make sure they don't run now. On behalf of the sponsor, the movement up and down, yeah. The theatrics look good, yeah. But you see I climb up on top of the tent something. In the event that you have the tent topple, you know, problem does something. So find the next year to get that done. Right? With the children, yeah, they say, stop, yeah, slow down, but give that connection. So, super win.
Junior second piece on the show, taking the first round. We go across the second round, and it's across the DJ, but pick round. DJ don't pay right now.
Yo. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Yo, people, flip on a second, man. Say, can you hear about that question? I have never in my life seen a set of selectors who are so dumb and stupid. See, all them senses gone in the licking, the cat thing. Okay? A DJ around and a player junior real. Evelyn child and ever. Come around now. Yo, all who come to the sound that are youth here. Come from Dunkirk. You hear me scream and kill.
Sound Trooper. Sharp shooter. Run to them, we have never lose. You see what I say? Hold on to them guys, never go to them, they can't tell.
Yo, who's that? mistake already. See? Don't make mistake already. Little boy. Royalty. 6 years you come in a music in a boy, Thundercat. See? 6 years you come in a music, I want in foundation. Me a play song from your 10-year-old. Tube amplifier days. Hey boy, you not find a pimp some little woman. You feel so you can't come in this and come take this. Me fight for this, me hey. Yo, me a foundation of this. Hey boy, don't play my bounty till every night. You can't flop the DJ career now. Don't play my DJ. Hey boy, that tune they never play. One day play that tune a royalty. You're not even come out of your yard yet. I'm the first selector play that tune, yeah. I want dance, I burn you with the music, kill my son, you cataract. Me go back 1999. Yo, drop it.
Hey yo, really Jack. Hey yo, mama. Look into the dance, and I want to see listen to the voice when this is a track.
Little boy, this is Olympic win. Which one is it? Olympic win. I'm going to be a monsieur. What about artists for singing? Bonnie General monsieur. All the artists there. Hey boy, who talk too much? Hey boy, let me tell you some boy you. Stop that royalty puppy. Oh, royalty puppy, shut up. I'm all in the bed for you hungry. That royalty, I go back to foreign kind. I go home tonight. Yeah. Purple. I fight for this, I live for this. I love you know. Yeah. Oh, me one of the last great sound killer left. And then little boy a compass skin and the more chupa chupa. Shabba, kill it!
I'm this. Shabba and some people sitting on the set. Loud and clear, head up in the air. And the people don't sound like them. Where's you? The pattern is bigger than Jerry.
Shabba, please!
Kind of
Who is the young like me? A sky Jones and you there. Show respect. Show respect. This is Jesus. Anyone there? Yo! Stop clash!
Super sound. So, when there's an event, put you on the set of rock down. Hey, sound just super sound, them and good. When there's an event, put you on the set of rock down. Super, original, them a dance and master. Some little sound, from what is the matter with them. I play that competition, to know them in life and the thing.
Oh God, that twice for son. No. You said don't play no more young artists, but and the young artists said don't play all the business that go on. But brilliant, all who sports sense me and twice on the year. But the ganja people in there, now you tell them give it up and I play ganja church. You know this is the about the saga, Mr. Ganja Panso, but I'm so all about ganja. Presenting the song to what the ganja like in there? How the ganja like that?
Wicked chupa breathing and they sing the water goes from
The compound wall is Yo! Judges are ready!
One, two. Man, they were stressing them, man. Come and say, man, say, man, they were stressing. Man, they say, one,
Simple. Royalty. If you lose the first round, expect that in the first tournament place supposed to lift up on the foundation. Slow. And then you reach a junior league. You know what kind of experience. Yeah, super. So now I think you're ready now. Get it on the clash one. Defend. Yeah, royalty. We're not like when Minus come on and win a win. Challenge Superman. Challenge him. Keep the cash going. Who's it?
Alright, so now let's take that line. Turn around, follow the right now. See? Big up to next Sunday, so I say the personal speech that goes in town of paper go about Tequila. And right after the speech, it came about Tequila, yes. Yeah. Is it? And the next thing, Joker. We're going to talk about Thundercat. Since you don't want to go in category then. You see me, my father, a real Ras. Me a real Rasta thing. My name is Tony Lion. Zim, and you see right now, all who try rise against royalty shall fall. Garnet silk rest in peace. When you raise the hand upon the one, squeeze the one.
He's still on the ends of jazz. Know that the Lord God of the Almighty shall move it in.
And you know the man clean. If you are not clean, when you know how to think that
Let God arise. Let his enemies scatter. Let the marks of the hatred be before him. So is to your ways, turn them away. What's melted before fire, so the wicked person.
is it true, in Marvin Neal, the big icon, Zane and status. Tupac, and my name, when everybody was on the fire, and said, yes, I'm a Tupac. So a Tupac is talk. But it's the royalty, is it true we are real warrior, a real warrior. Stick down to the one, yeah. The Tupac, keep him warm.
Let them keep
Super, you can't trick them.
We're gonna keep them talking. We're talking, yeah. We're gonna tell a lot more coming.
This is the knockout world right now. We can see it on the population. We don't do every time. Boom, stop, clash. We don't go for each other. Alright. Sit down. Super. People, tell you something. I'm going. Here come up and tell me, yeah, Chopper. Yeah, PNP, you coming and bring yo. And yo, me them bad man. Them bad man. Me them no call for the Indian and from in the music. Them bad man selector. So when me, I'm forward. In the other people places, I gotta show respect. This is respect. That's no respect. That's no respect. Get some other people in place, not be orange and be red. Respect. I'm gonna take my round in now. 3. Win now. Win. Yo, I'm twice. I got that's it. I'm gonna show you a select and take round now. Yo. That's it. On 1996. Say, yo, come from Manchester, you used to name Bimbo. Kilimanjaro, when me a play Kilimanjaro, me and him par. It was a big sound that addies everybody and me cut the whole of the song them for them. And we lost him December 1990.
me, sit down, talk, and him make Lucian and turn Rasta and me lose the round, yeah? You mad? Little boy, this gone. Tell us so. All who love them, man. Drop it. Don't stop till I kill you.
Mama Africa and I'm Pussy Cloud now. Watch it.
Big up
Kick
the
him
manager.
again, kick him out.
Dominica, big up yourself. Dominica, you change me now. Band Garnets in band 1966. 1 year after, we are in the top chat, man. You come out with the Japanese and the birds, you know. Let me win tonight. People, all the way, that's why we are descendants from Africa. We are all bleaching on the public. Big up the Japanese and the European, and can't make you all away. But we love Africa, all who love Africa, twice a year. Drop it!
One kill four.
Jack Scorpio produced the song, yeah.
Bumbo Cloud.
The poor man come and never come in and pray to God. And me and God come here union. No boy beat me. Never ever again. Come straight from the God, you know. I find back my God, you know. Say, last year me a clash. I'm bound that you're a church now, I'm serious. Say, this one there. Say, yo! Kill God! Someone will shoot and kill off people and be a unit in Jamaica. Yo, unity will say. Yo, someone will shut up and stop kill off, yo. Until we not bleed. And the best country in the world with this. We just want the politician and the fix it. And we can help fix crime too. Where you say man go someone and say, yeah, don't do it. See? All who say love are the answer. Lighters. Love the answer. But those selectors, they're some jokers, you know. Me, can't done play garnets, and I don't dedicate the song to the ladies. I would be a big idiot selector. This one is for all the ladies in the building tonight. All who love woman, don't feel baby, don't worry.
on me, on my, hey baby,
Thank you very much, Chopper.
One the knowledge come back in life and say, knowledge will always be anything else. Knowledge are the real power. Knowledge give experience give knowledge. Knowledge give wisdom. Royalty. You believe me, say? They already start saying, yeah man. You say, I'm Thundercat. I'm Thunder Lion. They don't expect fear when the lion roar. But that they expect fear. Well, I have to tell them. And now I understand why man. When I royalty on that.
I don't talk about lion. So cool man a royalty. I'm not say that.
What else is left to say, Johnny? Nothing.
The next one, right? We don't know some time round and the competition will keep it going on and the sword going, you know. Once it's prepared for the people in the class. Because we're young son, and we're proud, and we give thanks to all the gathering. So listen tonight, we're going to fight same way. And we're going to give a peace for them. Someday you're tired, we know you're tired. Let's go. Hey, that's you on the way. I'm be killing for you. So you should tell them. Listen me.
Yo, the man said that.
Come on, the reality shall never rise. All the artists them up there. How much people telling us that? On the now, I'll make it. And not still do the thing. And know all the glory to give it get on out there. This is me respect for all my ease. Rock for us. Scream out there.
Yo,
Sing, little boy, and a boy woman. Bag of riches, yeah, I'm gonna rush it money, you know. I'm gonna rush it money. I'm gonna dead left now. Everything what I have, I'm gonna dead left. See, to go. Take a rush it money. Money can't see your soul. Come chat about money. And boy, I Canada, but in Canada you come from, you know. I look on the dress. Watch all I want there. You could have buy some decent clothes there. Yeah? And you come chat about money. Come to tell me about America. What about America? See it here? And Jamaica, I said to the bed. I want you. Now go Europe, all of them places. I want you. Tell me about America, man. Tell me about the Sun Clash. Where you lose people. The artists, yeah. Who be busting the music.
Master. Not at all. His style is too slow and he's too weak. Making sure we will destroy him totally and wipe him from the face of the earth. Stop the punishment. Finish him.
Yo!
I look at you, buddy.
Oh, look at the future yourself!
Do what you want here.
Saving, keep on going. Keep on winning. His dance, keep on beating. Jesus yesterday. And we hope and pray it will bring this man. See how I said that come and turn around to come do super fresh, yeah? If I play not tonight, oh me evil. When you see me and God come run Satan, the blood of Jesus step on you. I got you.
When will I grow
Stop here, man. Stop, man. Stop. Look a boy. I don't know about that something. That brother here. Enough sound music show them and kill. In turn Christian. Junior Tucker. Oh my. This is Junior Tucker. It's Sun Trooper. Father Philip Black to Sun Trooper. #1 forever, man. The baddest thing in the world. Do it already, man. Do it again. A wicked trooper #1 for a lifetime. Hallelujah, trooper! Oh, that's up! Return! Return! Come back, eyes! Imagine I was just another little soul. Trying to general, they can't play me! Yo! But then you were standing there, string up as the champion. Start to take a listen and I could not believe. I hear the boom selector, the #1 MC. Champion, and now it. So now it's time for me. Caesar! You're gonna be a slider! I never knew it would sound so good. Look up, boy. Now boy play vocal like me, I play vocal for me, I play Tube Amplifier from Captic International. One turntable and spin over. DJ turn them on and make fashion. Yeah. Now boy can't play vocal song like me. Yo, look up baby them man. People that grew up here originate in a Waterhouse. See? The lead singer for that group here, named Dan Carlos. In a them time they call him Black Oro. Then the artist that take it and run with it in your Michael Rose. I'm not going to play the Black Oro, you know. See? Because this is Michael Rose without Ducky Simpson and Puma Jones. But drop it.
Well, as the song will continue, you don't know the premiere of Trooper. You know the dance, you get me people. No worry yourself, Michael Rose, grab me kid pan them guys. I'm gonna say you don't know it, have a good time, cause we're killing sound. Stinging that boy.
Yo, who are killing them tonight? Slayer Robbie produced this. Slayer Robbie produced this. Yo, Michael Rose, them.
Guess who's killing a sound boy? Sound Trooper.
You know the thing goes Swash Girls was Tuesday. And you know we have big up Arthur Wheels and New Kids and Boom Energy Drink all day, every day. See Johnny? So, you know the thing goes Sound Trooper, respect for the history lesson. Big up the two young selected them from Royalty Sound. But you know it take your A game to clash the legend them and do damage. So, you know what I mean? When they are going to watch same way, maybe see if they can make a dent in the clash in the final round. But that look like a trooper again.
Yeah, but that you know we say word than a trooper again. Boy, Royalty coming like in a turn up tonight. That's all but done. It's the way you introduce your song, my brother. It's like, when you see the connection, when I enjoy myself, I'm coming to enjoy myself, and I'm really coming to judge it. I come here as a genuine judge, but if you not enjoy, you don't know what. You don't understand, my brother. Trooper again.
So Royalty, you decide say, since you lose 3 rounds, might as well let us
Boom. Take by the plane.
play some song. You're not about fight today and defend it. Take before dishonor. Boy, alright. About 25 years old, you're a junior dogger. Don't play.
Give money, play, we go on home.
Make it work.
You know what kind of round this is forward now?
Yo!
Talk to the round this.
We can't drop in my ear.
Some big but the reputation in and around. You know what, already? Tune for tune. 7 sound, each sound. Let's on the first and last. And all the things that are ready. Ebony, let's go.
You see me? I want you to be frightened for that. You see Trooper? You see when come and ball up here? But me not sell out. Me not do this, me not do that. But for international TV, it said it will take money from anybody, as long as them have the right money. You see? And that it say, you know, then it no matter who it come from, you know. Whether I tomorrow. And think. What you see right now? All the way here, mixer. Enough. Listen. Is it true, Bob? Yeah, that's not the play up on the play the morning. Royalty, kill yourself. I feel it easy. Help us story, my golden. Yeah, that song that you play the morning. Yeah. German's fine. It feels a little better. Royalty. Ladies. Alright, now create this track again. The first part of this song is dedicated to the ladies. And when the DJ forward for the bad man then. I can't do it, son. I can't do it like that. The first part is for the ladies. And when the DJ come in, it's for the bad man then. Drop it. Yeah, you know. Run your fingers down my spine. Let's get it in this. All you got this is so good. Got me down, you know. Such a short way up and such a long way down. Them got this Ricky Trooper, them we get thrown down. We love them, son of them up in like 5 pound. In any sound clash and in any showdown. Sound boy call up with him. And got this Ricky Trooper, now them can't maintain. Now them come a dance. Big tune. Yeah, big tune. Big up yourself, you know. You're an icon, you know. You're an icon and a Roman at the same time. You see? You're an icon and a Roman at the same time. You see you? You see right now we're royalty, the fight of royalty against right now. With you, because you're a Roman people. We come from Canada too. And book up dance. All the dead in there. And the first from me, man, out of my mother womb. Me see a dance done. Around 200 people line up in our line. And even our van and appear them. Call them for band forward. And the 3 bus roll down to come tonight. Say, can't kill sound. I got kill sound and talent and know-how. And this me get from God for this. You see that show there? Me alone play this not sound I run. Brian and Tony go on a bounty killer and a combination. Let go!
Tell me some super, the super. Shooter, it's one of the cross, mad, furious. Tell them so boy when I come for trouble. Boy get gunshot and struggle. I struggle. New York, Canada, worldwide. Boy, it's gunshot and not straight. I'm gonna
His reply is to my
Royalty, I am alone proud of sound. And enough sound who did watch Clash the great icon Trooper. You see we're brave. All we know say Royalty as a young sound, brave to go up against one of the greatest legends. You see me? A certain thing going on. So you see, you know what you call that? You know what you call that? You call that art. All who have art in a war. Say art. But that's that. You know what we never put that stage
Royalty.
Think me I idiot to this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going?
You don't know what I'm going at all. You're idiot tonight.
No.
Fool like. Well, you know what I'm going, you're last. You don't even know which fire them. Right now, if you've got 3 years, you don't know your way to find your way out and something go over your yard. Because you don't know nothing about you, so people carry around you. Stop chatting about you. Stop that. Stop that. Shut up. You kids, don't want to fight, yeah? Don't talk again. If you talk again, you eat the something. Talk. If you talk again, you eat the something. Yo, people, they're active. All over the social media every day. I call up my name. Yo, the evil. The things I'm alone, you know. See, my year, me I take it back. You see that tune that I'm going to play? Me are the first selector on the face of the earth. 5 step twice artists in a combination. And then Mighty Crown got pirated. This is Barry Saman and Buju Banton in a combination. Squeeze!
This is the man so going trooper. I know some of the dancers tonight that put them together. They don't play. Don't even close to this one now. Trying to go to kill and
This is our flag.
I know, man. Give it up. Right. Go with our long bridge.
What no man?
We're not. Long bridge. I'm near the people.